Hey everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. So today we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for anyone preparing for the IELTS speaking exam, or, as a matter of fact, any other high stakes test. Learning how to pause and gather your thoughts. You know, it's perfectly fine to take a moment to collect your thoughts during an interview or any other oral exam. In fact, it's often a sign of a confident and a reflective thinker, which is much more authentic. So let's talk about how you can master this skill. First off, remember that it's natural to need a moment to think, especially when faced with a challenging question. Here's a simple strategy you can use to practice pausing and use filler phrases. Let's look at a couple of examples. Example 1. If someone asks you,
"What are the benefits of learning English?"
you can respond with,
"That's an interesting question. Let me think."
This gives you a moment to organize your thoughts without feeling rushed. Example 2. If you're asked,
"How would you solve a problem like climate change?"
you could say,
Let me consider that for a moment."
again, you're buying yourself a little time to formulate a thoughtful response. Using these phrases shows that you're engaged and thoughtful. But how can you customize these pauses to fit different situations? Here are just 4 ideas to further customize your pauses. That's a very insightful question. Let me take a moment to think about it. I'm glad you asked that. Let me consider the best way to answer. That's a complex topic. Give me a second to gather my thoughts. Thank you for asking. Let me take a moment to reflect. Now, remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural you'll become. So, next time you're in an interview or taking the IELTS speaking test, don't be afraid to pause and think. Because the IELTS test is based on the ability to have an authentic, everyday conversation with a friend, for example. So try not to look at the examiner as the enemy. The examiner is there to help you, and just relax with him or her and have a pleasant, casual conversation. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your English language speaking skills and how to ace your next IELTS exam. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.